What's going on, guys? It's your boy Crypto Con back with another update. We're gonna talk about ETH. ETH is in motion right now. ETH's up 5%. It's up 24% on the month. It's up 59-60% for the 3 month. And as you can see here, we're looking at the 1 month chart. We're gonna get in deeper, go into the 5 minutes, see what's going on. Looking at the 5 minute chart here, it looks like it's trading sideways a little bit, but it had a run. It had a run this morning. So it ran from about 3,400 up to about 36.62, and right now it's trading sideways right now. So it's looking pretty good though. ETH is looking like we're getting a few red candles right there. As you can see, Bitcoin's up 5%. Is currently at 71,000 price. Let's see what they got going on here in these articles about ETH. So if you look right here, price analysis 325, got SPY, DXY, BTC, and ETH. It shows here Bitcoin has started the week positively, and trying to maintain above the 70,000 level. Analysts are hopeful of a reversal this week following 5 successful days of a negative inflow into spot Bitcoin ETFs last week. Goldman Sachs said its clients are showing a strong appetite for the firm's future and options offering. Max Min, head of digital assets for Goldman Asia Pacific, said the firm's larger clients were showing greater interest in the crypto sector following the launch of the spot ETF. So Bitcoin pretty much going crazy, but you can see right here, it's like a little chart of everything going on. You can see ETH right here, it's up 8%. You see Bitcoin up 70,000, 7%. So they're pretty much like neck and neck right now. But let's scroll down and see what they're talking about on ETH. So here's what they got to say about the ETH price analyst. It broken out at a 20-day EMA 3,500 on March 25th today, indicating that the bulls have asserted their supremacy. If buyers maintain the price above the 20-day EMA, it would suggest that the corrective phase may be over. So the pair could rise to 36 and thereafter rally to the overhead resistance 4,000. So yeah, ETH is ready. It's definitely ready. It's like they just told you right here. You can look and see the trend as it's going up and down. And as you get right here, it really starts to take off, and you see how it ran. And that's what I just showed you based on the chart. And right now it came down a little bit. So I think what's gonna happen. This was the pullback day, and that's when everybody pretty much sold and it dropped, and now it's on its way back up. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna rally because of you got the Bitcoin halving coming up, so it's a lot of bag holders in there. You got BlackRock buying a lot of Bitcoin. This positive view will be invalidated in the near term if the price turns down 36 and plunges below the 50-day SMA. That can indicate that start of a deeper correction to 3,000. So if it fails to run on this run, it's gonna drop. They're basically telling you it's gonna drop to it's gonna correct to 3,000 and then maybe 2,800. So yeah, that's just a quick update on Ether. So and it looks like right here, the London Stock Exchange will start market for Bitcoin and Ether ETNs May 28. So the London Stock Exchange will roll out a market for Bitcoin and Ether exchange traded notes on May 28. It said on Monday the stock exchange will accept applications for those trading those cryptos ETNs from April 8. The market will be subject to the approval of UK regulators, the Financial Conduct Authority, the notice says. So the FCA said early in March that it would not turn down requests from recognized investment exchange to create a list market segment for ETNs. The products will be available to professional investors only. At the time, the London Stock Exchange said it plans to accept applications for Bitcoin and Ether by the second quarter of this year. So the second quarter of this year, basically, they saying they wanna accept the applications for Bitcoin and ETH. So I mean, that's good news, and that's probably why everything's running too as well. Everything lining up. The news coming out at the same time as the Bitcoin halving. So second quarter will probably be April, May. So so second quarter will be like April, May. So they'll probably be rolling this out in April, which is good news. That's pretty much the news from Coinbase. I mean, not Coinbase, Coindex. So yeah, let's see what's going on here. Ethereum price analysis of bulls getting ready for a 4K again. Let's see what they say. So it's another article on here, talking about the ETH price analysis for ETH bulls getting ready for the 4K again. Ethereum price has been correcting over the last couple of weeks following a decisive rejection from the 4,000 resistance level, yet things can potentially change for the better short term. So they basically saying ETH is already about to change. It's getting ready to run. It's about to pass that 4K level again. So get ready. Once the Bitcoin have, I say like April 20, once the Bitcoin haven't hit, you're gonna get some selling pressure. People gonna be selling. So you might wanna be getting a hold to your bags, sell something, sell what you got going on. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just telling you my opinion on what I would do in these cases. But I definitely wouldn't try to hold all the way through. Ethereum is a good one to hold all the way through long term. Ethereum, Bitcoin, long term. But it just depends on everybody's situation. But after the halving, there's definitely gonna be a price correction. So let's see what else they got going on here today. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see right here, the ETH it got another green candle going up. Let's see. Let's go to the hour charts. So yeah, it still got a little room to run to get to the 4,000 level. But let's see. Let's set the indicator right there at 41. That way we ain't gotta, if I'm out and about somewhere, I ain't gotta be looking. It'll let me know on the phone. So let's look at the hour time though. Let's look at the chart all the way through. So actually it hit was that November 1st, 21. It hit 4,800. So ETH might be on his way to hit the all-time high soon. So if you can look, this the all-time high right here, and this is where ETH's at right here. As you can see, I had an indicator way up there from my charts. It saved, a long time ago, I guess. Just been sitting there probably about a year or two. But actually, that's from 21, so ain't no telling. But yeah, that's just a quick update. Get your bags right. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out of here just like yesterday.